Well, greetings there, prop fans. It's Tony here from Caveman Props, and as you can see, I'm currently sat in my car because it's pouring with rain. But I have made a special trip, and that trip is to the Queen's Hall Arts Centre in Hexham, up in Northumbria, and I'm here to see a very special exhibition from the very brilliant Neil Cole from the Museum of Classic Sci-Fi. There's a lovely exhibition on here up until about mid-September now, 2025, in case you're watching this a little bit late, of restored props and some artwork and lots of other stuff, all lovely and geeky, basically to come and have a look at. And it's free, it's not going to cost you a penny, so we're here to check that out. And there's a few items I'm extremely excited, looking forward to seeing. And yeah, so let's go off and have a look. Okay, now there is lots for you to see here, but if there's one thing I actually want to draw particular attention to, is the display in this case, because it has some of my most favourite items in it. Now this little chap down the corner here is the Saracen from Terror of the Zygons. Now when I was up visiting Neil before for the Monster Men exhibition, we had a little chat about this item, because he was gifted this item, or entrusted with this item, from Mike Tucker. It was in a terrible state. It was the original filming puppet, and they were redoing some of the bits for the new DVD. Now Mike realised that he couldn't use the original and had to make a new one. But rather than dumping the old one, he entrusted it to Neil to restore and have it displayed in a museum. Now I'll try and get a picture of what it used to look like before, but now it's in absolutely amazing condition, and that's really hats off to Neil. There's also the Vervoid, you can see up in the corner, it's one of my favourite monsters. But there's also two here. There's a little filming miniature from Underworld, but also the Seeker helmet from Underworld. Now that's one of my favourite, and I know a lot of them are my favourite stories, but the reason this is one of my favourite is the Seeker's helmet is one of the first Doctor Who helmets that I replicated. It wasn't particularly great. I was quite young at the time, but I'd seen it and I kind of made it out of cardboard. But it still holds a little place in my heart to see the original one here. And obviously there's also the radiation detector there from the John Pertwee story, which is an amazing piece. So there's some really interesting items for you to see here. Right, so the exhibition is kind of on two levels. So downstairs you've just seen is where a lot of the props and stuff is on display. Upstairs here is more like an art gallery. So we've got some original scripts and then concept artwork for costumes. There's covers for the books that we've done. Some of Andrew's artwork, which is absolutely brilliant. Other bits for like the comics, and then you've got a little video of Neil talking about how he put the museum together. But then over here is some of Neil's own artwork from his book It Belongs in a Museum. So we've got a load of stuff here from Volume 1, which is out now, and there's a few down the end here. It's a little preview from Volume 2. But just look at the quality of this. This is hand done with biros. This is amazing artwork. I'm in awe of this at the moment. But it's definitely worth coming to have a look. It's not the biggest of exhibitions, but it's worth. The quality here is brilliant. If you get a chance to come down and look at it, definitely do that.